Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change the default font size in Word. Many users find the default Calibri, 11-point font too small or not to their preference. Customizing this setting ensures all new documents automatically open with your chosen font and size, saving you time and effort. Let's get started by opening any Word document and finding the font settings. Once the font dialog box opens, you'll see various options to customize your text. Here, you can choose your preferred font, like Times New Roman or Arial, and set a comfortable size, perhaps 12 or 14 points. Take a moment to explore the styles too, such as bold or italic. The preview window helps visualize your selections before confirming. With your font and size chosen, the next crucial step is to make these settings permanent. Click the Set as Default button at the bottom of the dialog box. A small window will appear, asking if you want to apply these changes to just the current document or to all future documents. Be sure to select all documents based on the normal template to ensure your new default applies universally. Finally, click OK on the confirmation prompt to save your selection for all new documents. Then, click OK one more time to close the font dialog box. Now, every new Word document you create will automatically use your chosen font and size, such as Arial 14-point. This simple adjustment significantly enhances your document creation workflow, making it more efficient and personalized.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.